friends, and welcome to the studio. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can catch more of these videos as I post them. So this time, as you can see, I'm drawing lips, and rather than talk to you about how to draw the lips, I'm gonna let you watch the video, see what markers I'm putting down, and kind of as a portrait artist, let you kind of reverse engineer what I do. That's kind of how I learned, watching other artists just draw or paint and figure out what colors they put underneath of other colors. And sometimes you can kind of pick up more by watching than you can necessarily by someone telling you necessarily what to do. I was very lucky to be working on a portrait with my friend Neptune. And it's a portrait that has, you'll see it up kind of in the box corner here. It's a portrait that has 3 of her on it. And it's still halfway done. I have a lot of the lace work to do, which is going to be difficult, but is also going to make the piece pop even more. But I had that on the side of my desk, and just kind of one of the portraits, the one on the furthest right, was sticking out. And I was looking at it, and I was seeing the face, and I was being drawn to, I guess, the nose to the chin region. And I was like, what is drawing me to that region? And it was because I realized we don't see it that much anymore. When we go out to grocery stores, when we go out to anywhere in public, everyone's wearing masks. And I guess I think, like most people, I'm drawn to the taboo, the thing you're not supposed to look at, I think we all are. We're drawn to, our eyes, whether we like it or not, are drawn to when you see something that you're not supposed to be seeing. And I think there's a new taboo that's added to that region that, you see people now and you see their eyes and you see their mask, and it may be like really well decorated or just a plain mask, but you don't know necessarily like what's, you kind of don't get to see their mouth. You don't get to see their chin. You don't get to see the lower part of their nose. And in this portrait series that Neptune kicks off, I'm very lucky to get to draw that region of people's face and bring that very much into your face. Like, I think it's going to be something special to look at. I think it's going to be something special to draw. And I want to thank Neptune for really taking her time out to not just get a picture, but make sure it was something that would make a special portrait. It was really cool of her. And I'll be doing more of these and probably posting more of them on YouTube, more of them on Instagram. Go follow my Instagram, Nojfotra, NOJFOTRA _artist on Instagram. And you'll get to see all of these portraits and lots of my other work. And thank you for following me. Thank you for checking out these videos. There's plenty of them on here. If you want to learn how to draw sports art or comic book art, give the channel a follow, and shoot some comments underneath there. I pay attention to every comment, so I'd love to conversate with you guys and talk artwork. I always love talking artwork. Thank you.